Oh my god.
Oh God.
My god.
Oh.
Relax. Oh. Relax. Oh. Relax.
Oh.
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 Oh. That should we make a video of so
Yeah.
it will be before and after chiropractic technique. Let me ask from patient how she felt up after chiropractic technique.
Before chiropractic, I was in a lot of pain for past 5 to 6 years. I got it checked a lot in the UK, but nothing helped me. Did few physiotherapy, did not help me. Somebody suggested me about this place, which I did come, and I had about 8 sessions, and I can easily do anything. I feel so relaxed, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.